Welcome, everyone. Welcome to the dedication ceremony for the Lake Road Health Center operated by Clackamas County. I am Gary Schmidt, Clackamas County Administrator. I'm your Master of Ceremonies today. We have a few brief speeches and plenty of refreshments on this very cold day, but it's sunny out, and we're all here together, and the speakers will be brief. Right, speakers? Yes, we will. There are a lot of really great people here today, and I want to introduce a few of them. Of course, our Clackamas County Commissioners who helped make this possible. Chair Tootie Smith. Hi. Commissioner Martha Schrader. Commissioner Paul Savas. Commissioner Ben West. And we have Milwaukee City Councilor Adam Casarobati here. Councilor, welcome. We have representatives of the Clackamas County Health Center's Community Health Council and Vice President Brianne Salvati, who'll speak shortly. But if you're a member of the Community Health Council, please raise your hand so we can honor you. Applause, please, everyone. The council consists of community members who care about quality health care, services, and access. Thank you all for your service. You represent the needs and interests of county's health services and the people who use them. You have been tireless advocates for this project, and Clackamas County appreciates you. More applause, please. Thank you. Thanks also to our partners, Care Oregon, Genoa Pharmacy. Each of your partnerships, every step of the way, has been critical in making this building's renovations a reality. If you're from Care Oregon or Genoa Pharmacy, raise your hand, please. We'll give them applause anyway. Thank you very much. Thank you to our incredible staff, led by Rod Cook, Director of Health, Housing, Human Services. Rod. Now, Rod has announced he's retiring from 28 years of service to Clackamas County. In a few months, he'll still be around, but Rod, this is one of the many, many legacies you've left for Clackamas County and our community. Thank you, Rod, for your incredible leadership. Sarah Jacobson, the Division Director of our Clackamas County Health Services Center. Sarah, thank you for your leadership. And Sarah's team, Emily Catola and Egan Danahy, thank you for your leadership. You're here. Give them an applause. Thank you, Sarah, Emily, and Egan, for your leadership, your team's leadership, and the flexibility you've experienced and exhibited as this building is still almost ready to be opened for our public soon. Now, Clackamas, yes, thank you. Applause. All right. Clackamas County Health Center serves more than 17,000 clients and patients each year in 5 centers. Clackamas County also operates 4 high school-based health centers, including dental services at 2 locations. These centers offer a full range of healthcare services to our local communities, including primary care, dental, and behavioral health. This new Lake Road Health Center provides mental health and substance abuse treatment services to people of all ages. This building's renovations and the great work of our health centers are entirely funded by the health center's operating revenue. No county general funds are involved. Applause, yes. So with that, some brief remarks. Please welcome the Vice President of our Community Health Council, Brianne Salvati.
Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for coming here today, especially to those of you who are consumers and future consumers of Clackamas County Lake Road Health Centers. A quick hello to fellow Clackamas County Health Council members, Clackamas Health Center staff, Clackamas County commissioners, and so many more that had a part in making this happen. It's a pleasure to be here with all of you today, and it's an honor to have you here with us to share this moment as we dedicate Lake Road Health Center, a true testament to the vision and hard work of so many. Mental health has a significant impact on our physical health, and the connection between the brain and body cannot be ignored. Mental health is the top priority of our health centers, as evidenced by the expansion of its physical space and growing staff. The Lake Road Health Center will allow the dedicated professionals to bring their passion and high-quality health care to the community. Increasing the capacity of our behavioral health services not only increases access to professionals who can support individuals in the community to manage symptoms and work through trauma, but to gain skills to live fuller, more engaging lives. I would like to extend a special word of appreciation to Sarah Jacobson, our current Director of Clackamas County Health Centers. Sarah and her team, a shout out to Emily and Egan, have spent a great deal of time working on this project and making sure that members of the Health Council were not only informed about the project, but were consulted with and actively involved with critical decision making along the way. Help me thank them with a round of applause, would you? The professionalism, passion, and clinical excellence of health center staff is simply astounding. They are committed to quality. They are committed to being a data-driven organization to navigate healthcare changes. Most importantly, they care about the community with the utmost intention to align outcomes with the health center's mission and vision. I'd like to thank you for coming out. Your presence here means a lot to us. Words can't express how important your support is to all our efforts and future endeavors to continue to advance and improve the access to health care for all residents of Clackamas County. Thank you.
Thank you, Brianne, very much, and for the leadership of you and the council members. Next, some remarks on behalf of the Board of County Commissioners from County Commissioner Ben West. Now, Commissioner West, in his professional life, is a nurse and very well understands the needs of health care in our community, and he is a champion for that as a member of our board, among the many other things you do. Please welcome Commissioner Ben West.
Thank you, Gary. To everyone that is braving the cold weather out here, it is sunny, but it's deceptive because it is cold. I want to thank my colleagues on the Board of County Commissioners. We couldn't have done this without being a solid team to push good local policy and good local government. And this is an important project, not just to the county, but to me personally. I think you guys would all agree with me, and I believe this, that we are called to care. And that's what this is about. This is infrastructure so we can care for our neighbors and those in need. It's because of this Lake Road Health Center. It's one of the key centerpieces to a recovery-oriented system of care. Now, if you've been listening to anything that this board has been doing, we talk about a recovery-oriented system of care a lot. We believe that it is essential that we know what informs us and the philosophies that impact our policies. And that is a recovery-oriented system of care. About a year or two ago, we passed a resolution and we built the system that we have today based on that worldview and that philosophy. This is a product of good local leadership that's strong in its vision and its outcomes and the goals that we're accountable to. We resolved to fight this crisis by developing this recovery-oriented system of care. It's a coordinated network of services that builds directly on the strengths of resilience of the individuals and families and communities. It builds out an entire care continuum that allows an individual that is struggling to rebuild the capital in their own life to be successful and a productive member back into our society and within our community. And that's what it does. It looks at the individual as an individual, and it begins to help them rebuild the broken pieces in their lives so that they can stand strong on their own 2 feet and then help the person next to them. Our goal is to ensure that individuals struggling with mental health issues or substance abuse disorders or housing instability receive timely and person-centered support, treatment, and the resources necessary to achieve long-term recovery. You'll hear me say this all the time, that in Clackamas County, we believe that recovery is the goal, that recovery is possible, and that people can be made whole again. We know that untreated mental health issues can lead to homelessness, addiction, broken communities, and hurting families. It can land somebody into the jail system. It could also cause them to be trapped in a lack of care within our emergency rooms, and it caused perpetual suffering, and this is not acceptable to Clackamas County. Our neighbors deserve better. That's what this is about today. It's about building a community and staff that has the ability to meet the needs of the individual. This facility builds on our mental health treatment services so that people don't fall through the cracks. We're helping our loved ones by giving them what they need and when they need it. We believe it's a moral imperative to get people the care they deserve and should have. Thank you to everyone here. All of you played a part in this, to helping us make the Lake Road Health Center a reality in our community. It is just one piece of the recovery-oriented system of care. You've heard about a lot of the other big visionary things that we are doing. Those are coming around the corner, but this is an important piece to make that happen. Please stay tuned for the grand opening celebration once this building's renovations are complete. I believe summer. We're going to see hopefully these renovations complete, open up to the public. And then now, Gary, back to you on any closing remarks.
Thank you, Commissioner West. As Commissioner just said, today's the dedication. The grand opening will be in 2025, but it's very, very important that we recognize our Board of County Commissioners that made this happen. That's why we're doing this today. So would the Board of Commissioners please come forward? Please come forward right now. Right, please come forward. Give them a round of applause, our Board of County Commissioners. We don't have a ribbon to cut, but would you please thank, and Commissioner Shull could not be here, but thank them for their leadership and their vision in making this project a reality. Thank you.